Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in to another video. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to bring you this crypto news today. It's going to be great. So let's just dive right in. This is big news right here. Russians and Ukrainians are piling into crypto. It's an article by Jane Lee. As Ukrainians battle the Russian army and the Russian economy faces a meltdown, people in both countries are turning to crypto. The trading volumes in Bitcoin using Russia's ruble reached a 9-month high last week, while those using Ukraine's hryvnia for Bitcoin also spiked, according to Paris-based crypto research firm Kaiko. Meanwhile, trading volumes denominated in ruble for Tether, a cryptocurrency pegged to the dollar, also surged on Monday, reaching their highest point this year. The surge in ruble trading in cryptocurrencies comes as Western countries imposed harsh financial sanctions on Russia, including kicking some Russian banks out of the SWIFT system and freezing Russia's reserves. That led to a record plunge of ruble against the dollar, and many people going to banks to withdraw cash. The country's central bank raised its benchmark interest rate to 20% yesterday, while the country's stock market was shuttered this week. Wow. Okay, so SWIFT, it stands for the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. And basically, countries, including the US, are imposing sanctions on Russia to freeze their ability to withdraw funds from certain banks, freeze their ability to move assets around because of what they're doing to Ukraine. Ukraine's Vice Prime Minister urged major crypto exchanges to block IP addresses from Russia. Last year, President Joe Biden expressed the concern that cryptocurrencies could provide an avenue to blunt the impact of U.S. sanctions. All right, well, yeah, a lot of people believe that Russia's going to use crypto to bypass the sanctions that are put onto it. So I have another article that discusses that and addresses that concern, but I just wanted to touch on this real quick. Over the weekend, the Twitter account of the Ukrainian government called for donations in digital currencies to fight the Russian invasion. And it looks like overall Ukraine has raised nearly $25 million in crypto. That's pretty awesome. It just goes to show that crypto is being even more and more mainstream adopted and just adopted in general. So let's move on to our next article. So here it is. Ripple CEO explains why Russia can't use crypto to bypass financial sanctions. And so what stands out to me in this article is right here. Ripple's CEO and co-founder Brad Garlinghouse recently took to his Twitter page to explain why Russia cannot use crypto to evade global sanctions, backing earlier comments made by the company's general manager on Monday. Garlinghouse noted that crypto trading platforms work together with several banking partners that risk losing their licenses if a blacklisted individual bypasses every security measure put in place. And so here's one of his tweets that I thought was important. In order to convert crypto to fiat, exchanges rely on banking partners who could lose their licenses if someone on the OFAC list, Office of Foreign Assets Control, is able to slip through extremely stringent know your customer and anti-money laundering policies are in place to avoid precisely this. According to Garlinghouse, it was to prevent such incidents that cryptocurrency exchanges established several stringent measures, including strict know your customer and anti-money laundering policies. So he doesn't believe that Russia will be able to use crypto as an avenue to bypass sanctions. Because with these crypto exchanges, you have to connect your bank account, and let's say like one of these bank accounts were attached to SWIFT or were under one of the bank accounts that was being sanctioned. Then the crypto exchange could just look at that and it would be a red flag for them, which is probably why he believes that crypto will not be able to be used as an avenue for Russia to bypass these sanctions. So I thought that this article was important. This is the crypto news for the day, and I thank all of you for tuning into this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you never miss an update and you can always stay informed with the latest information. And thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.